Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Friends becomes a pirate. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle, then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Peppa Pig. Ahoy there, me hearties! Captain Peppa Pig takes the helm, her trusty shovel transformed into a mighty pirate sword. Amazing! Her snorty oinktastic orders keep the crew in line, leaving no doubt who's in charge. Pedro Pony. Pedro Pony, the first mate with a heart of gold, stands proudly beside Peppa. Amazing! His trusty parrot, Polly, squawks excitedly on his shoulder, mirroring Peppa's commands and mimicking pirate talk. Amazing! Pedro's bravery and unwavering loyalty make him Peppa's most dependable pirate pal. Suzy Sheep. I love my pen. Suzy Sheep, the fearless first mate with a sparkle in her eye, isn't afraid of anything. Clad in a pirate hat and wielding a sparkly sword, she lets out a determined baw, ready to face any obstacles that come their way. Danny Dog. I love my pen. Danny Dog, the sharp-eyed lookout with floppy ears that twitch with anticipation, scans the horizon with his trusty spyglass. He dreams of spotting a hidden island overflowing with buried treasure or a pirate ship filled with glittering jewels. Zoe Zebra. Zoe Zebra, the quick-witted navigator with dazzling black and white stripes, unfurls a treasure map with a flourish. Amazing! Her knowledge of the stars and constellations allows her to chart their course towards adventure. She confidently guides the crew through uncharted waters, ensuring they reach their piratey destination. I love my pen. Freddy Fox. Freddy Fox, the mischievous cabin boy with a sly grin, scurries about the deck, always up for a prank. He hides gold doubloons in the most unexpected places, his infectious giggle echoing through the air as his crewmates search for their pirate treasure. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Peppa Pig. With a mischievous glint in her eye, she dreams of unearthing a mountain of chocolate gold coins. Amazing! Her snorty oinktastic orders keep the crew in line, leaving no doubt who's in charge. Pedro Pony. Pedro Pony, the first mate with a heart of gold, stands proudly beside Peppa. I love my pen. His trusty parrot, Polly squawks excitedly on his shoulder, mirroring Peppa's commands and mimicking pirate talk. Suzy Sheep. Her bravery and quick wit make her an invaluable asset to Peppa's pirate crew. Danny Dog. His keen eyesight ensures the crew avoids any nasty sea monsters lurking in the depths. Danny Dog, the sharp-eyed lookout with floppy ears that twitch with anticipation, scans the horizon with his trusty spyglass. Zoe Zebra. Amazing. Zoe Zebra, the quick-witted navigator with dazzling black and white stripes, unfurls a treasure map with a flourish. Her knowledge of the stars and constellations allows her to chart their course towards adventure. Freddy Fox. Despite his playful antics, Freddy remains a loyal member of Peppa's pirate crew. Freddy Fox, the mischievous cabin boy with a sly grin, scurries about the deck, always up for a prank. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. Purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.